Hey David, in this training, I want to review the upon lead creation and edit process builder. So a few different things are being triggered from this process builder. The most important piece is the auto lead convert. So the first thing I should note is that this lead process is running anytime a lead is created or edited. And then every time a lead is edited, it runs through to see if it matches any of these criteria. So if you click into the first set of criteria, you could see that if ready for offer on a green deal is true, then these immediate actions take place. In this case, it's the auto convert lead. So if I click into here, I can see that the deal color is green, or it has to be green in order to fire, to trigger that immediate action. And then we also added this extra layer to the lead so that people could do modifications to the underwriting fields on the lead before sending the offer. So there's also a ready for offer checkbox on the lead. So we're looking to see if the deal color is green and if that checkbox is checked. If so, we are referencing an Apex class. So I just copied this Apex class. I did not write this code, so there's a possibility that you may want to clean it up a little bit. Let's take a look at the Apex class. So I just went into my setup menu. I'm going to Apex classes. And there is a lot in here because we've downloaded a few managed packages. So you will see a fair amount of Apex classes that were just added with managed packages. So the one that we were looking for is auto convert leads. And you can see this is a very simple Apex class. So it's looking to see if those criteria are met on the lead, and then we are just calling this Apex class using our process builder. So not a lot is going on in the Apex class itself. All right, let's revisit the process builder. So after that happens, whether it's met or it's not met, we're going to see some additional criteria here. So if there is an additional seller 2, or an additional broker on the lead itself, and I will show you where those fields are. All right. So in this related contact section, so if a lead gets pushed in from underwriting and it has all of this information, this is mapping that would have to take place in between the underwriting tool and Salesforce. So if there are details here upon conversion, we will create a contact. This way you don't lose any of that contact information. So depending on what fields are filled out here. Let's say we have an additional broker, first name, last name, email, and phone. We can see if those fields are true, then we create that contact with all of this information. And then on the contact itself, we have a few checkbox fields that will specify what its role is. So if it's a broker, or if it's an additional seller, or an additional seller 2, because that actually ties in to another process builder that gives a contact role its role on a deal. So I'll show you that in the next process builder. So that is all that's happening when a lead is converted. So we're creating contacts where we have contact information. And then, of course, we can decide what criteria we're using to auto convert the lead into an opportunity. So that's it for this one. Thanks.